Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the work area and removing power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shocks. Once done, put on gloves and glasses and open the hood using the interior release. Then reach under the grill to find the primary latch. You should position a blanket or prop to support the hood edge. Make sure to have a helper steady the hood while you prepare the 10 mm socket and flat prying tool for the next steps. You now focus on the hinge bolts and electrical connections. First, have your helper firmly hold the hood or set a secure prop to bear its weight. This prevents sudden drops. Then remove the hinge bolts, typically 2 to 4 per side, using the 10 mm socket. Keep spacers and washers organized. Once bolts are loosened, disconnect hood-mounted wiring like washer nozzles, lamp connectors, and the ground strap. Take photos as you go. You complete removal by lifting the hood straight up with your helper, keeping it level to avoid bending or chipping paint. Once free, set the hood on a padded sawhorse or blanket. Inspect hinge faces, latch engagement, and all disconnected wiring for wear or corrosion. Clean and lubricate moving parts as needed. If you encounter binding when reinstalling, make sure to recheck hinge bolt torque and alignment shims before final tightening. Small shim adjustments often correct misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.